Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome to my channel. This is Kane Victoria. Today I will discuss about types of syllabus. So let's get started. Types of syllabus. Introduction. Broomfield 1984. A syllabus is the specification of the work of a particular department in a school or college, organized in specifications defining the work of a particular group or class. A syllabus is an account or a document that describes what the contents of language course will be. And it also shows the order and sequence in which they will be taught. It is the specification of works of a particular school, institute, or department that communicates information about the specific course and defines expectations and responsibilities of learners and trainers. The content of a syllabus reflects certain beliefs about language and language teaching learning. An ideal language syllabus might be designed around that order in which all of the four basic language skills, listening, reading, writing, and speaking together with phonetics, vocabulary, and grammatical items are to be introduced. In other words, a syllabus is a basic contract between an instructor and students, laying out the responsibilities and expectations on both sides. It's also a roadmap that shows the general contours of the course, important milestones, and the landmarks that will let students know they are on the right road. And last but not least, it's a marketing opportunity to show the students just how great the course will be. A learning-centered syllabus focuses on the needs of the students and their learning process. A good syllabus gives the student a general idea of how the course will go and how much work it will take. But why stop at merely good? You, your course, and your students deserve the very best learning-centered syllabus. A learning-centered syllabus focuses on the needs of the students and their learning process, including specific information that facilitates their academic success. Defining syllabus, some conceptual difficulties. Syllabus design is seen as being essential with the selection and grading of content, while methodology is concerned with the selection of learning talks and activities. Clarifying the concept of syllabus is extremely problematic. There seem to be many definitions as definers, each apparently covering similar ground while comparing various nuances and differences in emphasis. Noonan 1999, 73 page, refers to syllabus as a syllabus consists of list of content to be taught through a course of study. Key task for syllabus. Designer are the selection of items and their sequencing and integration. Number 2. Strain 1984, 10 to 11 page, defines syllabus as connected with content, structure, parts, or organization. Number 3. For Lee 1980, 180 page, syllabus is essentially a statement of what should be taught. Year by year, through language syllabuses often contain points about the method of teaching and time to be taken. Number 4. Yeldon 1984, Page 14. The syllabus replaces the concept of method, and the syllabus is now seen as an instrument by which the teacher, with the help of the syllabus designer, can achieve a degree of fit between the need of aims of the learner as social being and as individual, and the activities which will take place in the classroom. Number 6. Weightation, 1984, 26 pages. The syllabus is simply a framework within which activities can be carried out, a teaching device to facilitate learning. Number 7. Having a syllabus necessary because, as Hutchinson and Waters state, language is a complex entity and we have to have some way breaking down the complex into manageable units. Hutchinson and Waters, 1991, page 83. The knowledge that is going to be exposed to the students has to be organized and sequenced. Number 7. Allen, 1984, 61. The whole complex of philosophical, social and administrative factors which contribute to the planning of an educational program. Syllabus, on the other hand, refers to that subpart of curriculum which is concerned with a specification of what units will be taught. It is seen as an approximation of what will be taught, and it cannot accurately predict what will be learned. Syllabus can only decide what will be taught and not what will be taught learned. This depends upon the rest of the two units, that is teacher and mostly only student. Syllabus maker designed the syllabus, teacher tries to implement it, but finally the major work, what is to be learned, is going to be decided by the learner and not by the teacher or the syllabus designer. The importance of a syllabus. A syllabus communicates your goals, serves as an official guide note or students about course policies and requirements, and functions as a good learning tool. It conveys information about expectations. The syllabus lays out your expectations for the quality of work you expect from your students and shows the students how they should prepare for class. For example, the syllabus can explain whether students are supposed to do the readings before or after class. In addition to providing a course calendar, including tips for students on how much time to spend on an assignment, makes it easier for students to manage their time. But 2015. Principles of syllabus design. Principles and practice in syllabus design. Provide a way to reach out to students before the course starts. Establish a positive tone for the course. Define student and instructor responsibilities. Help students assess their readiness for the course. Situate the course in a broader context for learning. Communicate the ways technology will be used in the course. Syllabus design as a critical process. Syllabus design is an important phenomenon in teaching language. Curriculum syllabus is concerned with content, objectives, and sequence. Candlin, Breen, Allen, and Eldon seems to include also instruction and methodology. Syllabuses can be broadly or narrowly defined. Broadly defined, we may expect them to offer information about particular auditions of learners, their target needs for learning the subject matter in question, from which are derived their objectives and their state of knowing at the commencement of the syllabus activation, narrowly defined and in addition now perhaps locally at the level of a school or even a particular class rather than any larger institutional frame. Such syllabuses are restricted to mere collections of items of content derived from a spatial view of the subject. Characteristics of syllabus. 1. Consists of a comprehensive list of content items, words, structures, topics, process items, tasks, methods. Number 2. Is ordered 9 easier, more essential items first. Introduction. Number 3. Has explicit objectives usually expressed in the introduction. Number 4 is a public documents. Number 5 may indicate a time schedule. Number 6 may indicate preferred methodology or approach. Number 7 may recommend materials. That's all about today. Thank you everyone.